Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you one website where we can create a very high quality Dofollow and contextual backlink. Okay, so this is a website dashboard. So now we can start. Before that we can research something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 83 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 77 and the spam score is only 6%. So it is okay. And according to similar web, this website drawing 2.4 million total visitors and mostly traffic from France, Belgium, Switzerland, Reunion and Canada. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanted to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source from that kind of country, so much you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay. So this is about of lychee.com. So this is a website dashboard. So now we can start. Before that you guys can click for the create. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. Okay, so you can see there is a create a money post button. You guys can click over there and you guys can select anything are related to your industry, and there you guys can add your company or money post name. So suppose that Jobma, and there you guys can add again your company name. There you guys can click for the register button, first name, last name, date of birth. You guys can choose your nationality. So I guess in this there is no any option for the USA, United States. Okay, reason is Minnesota, and so let me select the Canadian number, and there again going to add this. You guys have to acknowledge terms and condition, then you can click to continue button, and there you guys can add your email ID. So our email ID is this, social media jams golden, and there you guys can choose your password. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. And you guys can click for the register button. And after that we have created our profile. So then you guys can click to profile creation, continue creating, set a target, set a deadline. So you guys can ignore these things. There you guys can add about your company. So this is your money post, describe, Jobma. So let me again, we can go to create a money post. So let me connect this, and there you guys can add and also you guys can create your social bookmarking backlink on that website. Okay, so for the social bookmarking, which things we can consider? So suppose that for the social bookmarking, the website is Jobma, and I'm going to do social bookmarking for the one-way page. So the title is one-way video interview, pre-recorded video interviews. So this is my title, and the last thing is brand name. First, there you guys can click set a target audience, no, upload a picture. So if I have, I think I don't have a picture related to this, but let me select this, click, and you guys can add a short description about this bookmarking. So this is a pre-recorded video interviews. So there I can going to insert backlink. Let me make it bold, and you guys can click to continue button. Hide total amount of raise, only you will be able to see amount of each contribution. Make your money post private. Now create, and you guys can go for your money post. Back to money post being locked. Why? Let me click your money post. Crowdfunding intermediate, you are obliged to verify. The verification will be taken 48 hours. Okay, so you guys have to verify your profile also. So confirm your email ID. Continue for the verification process. Telephone number, they can also asking you for the telephone number, verification ID document, and these kind of things I get. Yes, this is we can only create a bank transaction, ID card. Sorry, I don't have. So what we can do, we can click for the create this. Let me check. This is still locked. So we can create only the one. We can create only a profile backlink on that website also. On that website, if you guys can publish these things, ID card or passport or these things, driving licenses, then you guys can still continue for the social bookmarking kind of activity. But the thing is, professional your paste manage view close to money close port. If I can click, so there I wanted to add a hyperlink, but I can't because of icons. Yeah. So from there you guys can add a interview management solution. For this we can going to add a index page URL. You guys can click and make it save, and this is our port backlink. But the thing is, this is a no follow backlink, but we have created contextual backlink, so no follow. And also I can show you in incognito, so it's instant approved backlink or not. So you guys can see it's instant approved backlink, and this is a no follow, but the thing is we have created contextual backlink. Okay, so this is a process for the backlink creation on lazy.com. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys are wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestions, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button. because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.